Today we are starting to learn about the Rhino. And here is the introduction and a brief about Rhino and its user interface window. Modeling in 3D is the process of creating a mathematical representation of an object's surfaces. The resulting model is displayed on your screen as a two-dimensional image. Rhino provides tools for creating, displaying, and manipulating these surfaces. The Rhino interface. The image illustrates some of the major features of the Rhino window. Menu. The menus group Rhino commands by function. History window. The command history window displays the previous commands and prompts. Command prompt. The command prompt displays prompts for the current command actions, options for the command that you can click, and allows typing command names and options. Toolbars. Toolbars contain graphical icons for initiating commands. Many toolbar icons have the second command you can access by right-clicking the icon. The tooltip that appears when you hover over the icon tells you what the left and right mouse buttons do. To access the command on the first line, click the icon with the left mouse button. To access the command on the second line, click the icon with the right mouse button. Viewports. Viewports display the Rhino working environment. Panels. Tabbed panels contain layers, properties, and other settings. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Rhino window. It displays the current coordinate system, the cursor location, and the system unit. It also provides quick access to layers and toggles of modeling aids. So, this is the small intro about Rhino and the user interface window. Further, we will learn about the Rhino commands, Rhino templates, and the Rhino objects.